A very good morning to all of you. Today, that is 28th May, we are going to revise formal letter. But what is a formal letter? Children, letter writing is an important topic in your English writing skills. The word formal means officially sanctioned or recognized. Hence, a formal letter is an official letter which has a typical format which has to be followed. So children, today we are going to revise the format of a formal letter written for different purposes. Now, before discussing the format of a letter, what is the purpose of writing a formal letter? The purpose of writing a formal letter can be to express opinion or any issue or to share your opinion in a public forum. Class 10, this is very important information for you all that in writing section a formal letter based on a given situation of word limit 150 to 200 words has been added for 10 marks, where 6 marks is for your content and 4 marks is for your expression. Now children, let us go to the third point, that is general tips for writing a formal letter. For writing a formal letter, these few points need to be kept in mind. Number 1, do not exceed word limit of 150 to 200 words. Because if you are going to exceed, it is simply waste of time. 150 minimum and 200 maximum. B, avoid repetition. Children, most of you are in the habit of keep on repeating one sentence again and again. Please avoid that repetition habit. The letter should be precise and to the point. Use short sentences. Do not use your mobile language, your SMS language, slang, abbreviation, because it's a formal letter, need to be written in a very formal way. Next point, a formal letter strictly follows the prescribed format for writing a formal letter. So now coming to because when we have said that it need to be followed a strict format, so what is the format of the formal letter? So children, these are the few points that need to be followed while writing a formal letter. We have discussed it earlier also. Now we are revising it once again. Number 1, sender's address. When you start writing your letter, your formal letter, it is to be started with sender's address. The sender's address, there should be contact details of the sender. Remember, no name need to be mentioned. It's only the contact address should be written there. After writing that address within 2 or 3 lines, leave one line, then come to next point, that is date. Children, you are in the habit of writing date in this way, 22/3/2020. This you need to leave this habit. Date need to be mentioned first. Day 22, 22nd, suppose this is an example, 22nd July, that is month, comma, year 2020. This is the way of writing the date. Or it can be written in another way, that is you may start writing with the month, that is July 22nd day, and then the year. Please do not write in this manner. Then again leave a line, then comes the receiver's address, that is the address to whom you are sending the letter. The address of the recipient is written here. Then comes your fourth, that is subject of the letter. Subject of the letter means the main purpose of the letter. It must be written in one line, and it should start with the word subject and should be within one line, and it should not end with full stop. Remember, you have to underline from the word subject till the last word of that particular line. Then comes your salutation. Salutation, either you write sir or you write madam. Please do not write both. Either you take sir or you take madam. Then comes the body of the letter. That is the main content. The body of the letter is divided into 3 paragraphs. Number 1, it's the introductory paragraph where you have to introduce yourself and the purpose of writing the letter in brief. Number 2, it's the relevant details. Give details of the matter that you need to discuss. Number 3, it's the concluding paragraph. Conclude by mentioning what you expect. Then again leave a line, complimentary closing. Then next, that is sender's name, the one who is sending the letter. Then your signature, and then designation. So children, this was the formal letter, and I hope that you will be well versed with how to write a formal letter. Wish you a very happy day. Good day.